reimagined exterior of the Lexus RX features the Wakandan-inspired print and purple colorway used throughout the Adidas sportswear collection. A diamond pattern inlaid across the hood is inspired by the Black Panther's claw necklace. The word Vibranium, also spelled in the Wakandan alphabet, is added to the rear badging as part of its unique name, the Lexus RX 500H Vibranium AWD Direct 4. The custom build will feature an interior reimagined with future-focused designs, textures and materials. Using the modern luxury of the latest RX as a canvas, Adidas's custom Wakanda-inspired tribal gold print covers sections of the seating surfaces and are featured prominently on the seat bolsters in particular.